chip on your shoulder. This saying comes from a tough guy tradition in 1800s North America. If someone, especially a young man, was looking for a fight, they might literally put a small piece of wood on their shoulder. It was a public challenge to anyone who saw it. If someone knocked the chip off, it was on. A fight was happening. The meaning of this saying has changed a bit over time. Think about it. Do you know anyone who often seems angry or upset? Like they feel they've been treated unfairly in the past? If so, we might say they have a chip on their shoulder. When we say this about someone, it's usually a bit negative. It means they're holding a grudge from something that happened before. It's like they can't let go of those bad feelings. Here are some typical examples. Zoe always gets upset because she feels like people are looking down on her. You might say, Zoe always has a chip on his shoulder. She thinks everyone is out to get her. Jake is quick to argue about small things, takes criticism badly, and often acts like he has something to prove. You could say, Jake's got a chip on his shoulder. Matt feels like he was treated unfairly compared to his younger brother and acts like he has something to prove to his parents. They might say, Matt has a chip on his shoulder about his childhood. English is a rich language with many idioms and phrases. Using them will make your English sound more natural and colorful. So, how about you? Do you have a chip on your shoulder? Or are you usually easygoing and laid back? To discover many other easy-to-use phrases, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.